Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Celestia token. Ticker symbol is TIA. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing on Hotbit Global. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Celestia token. It's like celestial without the L. So at Celestia ORG is their official Twitter. Ticker symbol for this token, like I said, is TIA. It was just announced that this token will be listed today. What is today here? April 3rd on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. Trading opened this morning, 9 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search TIA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, if you want to find more information about Celestia and their project here, go over to celestia.org. They have a developers section where you can read about building a test net. They have the Celestia documents. They have GitHub repositories. They have a research paper. It says read the lazy ledger white paper. And then they have contributor guide here. Read the contributor guide. They also have a learning section. What is Celestia? Frequently asked questions. Technology. Dive deep into the learn modular section. Explore the glossary. Resources like videos, podcasts, white papers, all sorts of stuff there. They have a community section where you could join the Discord, Telegram, Twitter, forum, watch YouTube videos, join the subreddit, ecosystem section, team section. They have job postings on here, and then they have blog articles as well. So what is Celestia? Well, Celestia is a new technology that powers, scales, and secures Web3 applications. To achieve this, Celestia introduces a new modular blockchain architecture that solves the core scaling problems of today's blockchain. So modular blockchains are a new paradigm in blockchain design. Instead of one blockchain doing everything, modular blockchains specialize and optimize to perform a given function. The specialization provides breakthroughs in scalability, flexibility, and interoperability, enabling developers to build blockchain applications for mass adoption. So how is Celestia different from Bitcoin and Ethereum? If Bitcoin is a calculator and Ethereum is a computer, then Celestia is a cloud computer. Bitcoin showed us that it's possible to build a decentralized application, but was very limited in what it could be used to build. Ethereum showed that it was possible to build a programmable blockchain that anyone can use to launch a decentralized application. Celestia will show that it is possible to build a network that enables anyone to launch their own blockchain. So what's a good analogy of Celestia? Think of Celestia as a power grid, except instead of providing electricity, Celestia provides the essential resource to power a blockchain, consensus and data availability. Similar to how anyone can plug into an electricity grid to power an appliance, anyone can plug into Celestia's network to power their own blockchain. The Celestia token is the currency you use to pay for electricity. So that would be like the use case, the utility for the token there. Why would I use Celestia? Well, build blockchains easily. Celestia reduces the cost of deploying and maintaining your own blockchain, provides flexibility, so customize your application in a way that suits your needs, and higher scale, so unlock access to Web3 applications for everyone with more block space. So why is data availability, what is data availability and why does it matter? Data availability is critical to the security of any blockchain because it ensures that anyone can inspect the ledger of transactions and verify it. Data availability answers the question, has the data for this blockchain been published? Users of the monolithic blockchain download all the data to check that it is available. As blocks get bigger, it becomes impractical for normal users to download all the data, meaning that they can't verify the chain. Modular chains solve this problem by making it possible for users to verify large blocks using a technology called data availability sampling. What are rollups and how do they work with Celestia? Well, rollups are the type of blockchain that offload some of the work layer 1 like Celestia. Rollups host apps and process user transactions by hosting apps across many different rollups. Apps do not have to compete for computational resources with each other. Once rollup transactions get processed, they are then published to Celestia. Celestia's job is to order those transactions and check that they are available to download. So let's see here. They have frequently asked questions here you can check out as well. Documentation, learn module, experiment with the testnet, join a growing ecosystem of developers building rollups and applications on the Mocha testnet, join the growing team. You can sign up for a newsletter on here. So layer 0 is social consensus. It says, to us, the most important layer in blockchains is social consensus. Blockchains are a tool to allow communities of people to socialize, coordinate in a sovereign way. Thus, our vision stems from a deeply held core belief. Communities have an inalienable right to independently self-organize. Modular blockchains for sovereign communities. And lastly, modularism, not maximalism. I'm having troubles with words here. Modularism, not maximalism. For years, crypto has endured a monolithic blockchain loop. Each new layer 1 has built a walled-off system where competition is fierce and zero-sum. This leads to maximalism as they all fight over users in their ecosystem. Modular blockchains create a collaborative environment with many connected chains. Each new user that a modular blockchain brings to create value for the whole modular ecosystem, not just a single layer 1. Modular blockchains collaborate with monolithic L1s complete. And yeah, so they have execution layers, settlement layers, DA and consensus layer, and yeah, layer 0. So basically you can read more about what Celestia is on their webpage, celestia.org, but in a nutshell, that's what this project's all about, what I just went over there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Celestia and their utility token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.